gonna...
where we're going.
Yeah.
For a first good week of school.
This is the best day.
Okay, let's see, Kobe. Oh, wow. They be popping.
I'm trying to...
Church like 30 minutes for everybody.
Wait.
Okay, hold on. Well, now you're already in the road, so you can go ahead and go. Kobe, have you noticed what it is yet?
No,
Okay.
not just yet.
Okay, let's see.
Is it a sushi place?
It is not a sushi, but they might have some sushi. Go read this menu right here. What does that say? Right there. Okay, go in. Does it look familiar to any videos you've seen?
Wait, is that the cake?
Hold on. Does it look familiar to anything you've seen?
He's seen this.
What about right here, Kobe?
Oh! Wow, cake! The Cheesecake Factory! Daddy, what a cake! Yeah! Trying to put my face in so nobody forget. Dang. No! Yo, which
Have
one's...
a coconut cream cheese.
Ow!
Hey, Marshall, stop that. They got a cookie dough cheesecake.
Oh, yes, Mama. Yo, why is it... Oh, Mom. Yo, this is pink. It's pink.
Yeah.
Is that lemonade? I mean, is that lemon? Is that lemon?
That's a traditional.
No, I was talking about the yellow one back there.
Oh, the lemon. It is. It's a lemon meringue. And then
Adam. What is that name?
back up.
Adam's peanut butter cup fudge wet. Oh wait, the Smalls one. The Smalls
Are
one.
you gonna try the s'mores one?
Of course. Oh wait, I really want to try the chocolate caramelicious cheesecake. Every cheesecake sounds delicious.
Yeah, the mango.
I think about the one that Hank kind of did. Actually, no, definitely not. He lives in Texas, I think.
I would get that.
But he has been to a cheesecake factory for a video of I'm mixing every cheesecake. I love him. He's whimsical.
S'mores.
Yo, look at the small one. It looks delicious.
Yeah.
I want to try that one. But also, my favorite fruit is a coconut. I want to try that one. Also, this one looks delicious too. It's caramel. But I really want to try this one. Also, that cake right there looks very smooth until you see the edges.
Oh yeah, we can walk around that.
Da-na-na-na.
And they do have what are they, pickle fries.
Pickle fries?
Pickle-
Yippee!
Fried pickles.
But how much are we gonna say here though?
You can get. Right.
This one looks delicious. It's because it has strawberries in
Double
it.
smash burger. Well, here. This one is that one. Uh-oh.
Oh! I'm just trying that one. I'm just trying my small one. Those strawberries look like they've been coated in like sugar. I'm waiting. But there's no skip button on here. So I might just wait. There's no skip, pause button on here. So I might have to wait. Oh, okay. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Yeah. Subscribe. We're gonna hit 1 million. 1 million.
Hey, Kobe.
1 million.
Hey, Kobe. They're gonna text message me when our table's ready. So don't skip the messages.
subscribe.
Hey, put your feet up. Yeah.
Please subscribe. We're gonna win at 1 million. Probably in like 10 years. Hopefully. I don't have to wait 10 years. I want to sit at a table now. But we have to wait for a table all day. I really want to sit at the table. I don't want to sit on the floor. Floor. There's no skip button on here. So we just have to wait. Sorry, guys.
What all brings are. What all brings are.
It's taking like forever. Ain't I? Gotta like so quickly. I just want my cheesecake. I just want my Stay. Don't leave yet. I wish we could pause. It's taking forever. It's getting brighter. It's getting brighter. It's getting brighter. It's getting darker. It's getting darker. It's getting darker. It's getting very dark. It looks like it's nighttime. Yo, wait, that could be my prevention. Just a little bit. Wait. Tell me if you saw anything in there. Yeah, no, that was not intentional, but I just wanted to do it. Okay. Yeah. A lot of people are walking by. We have to get hidden. And I'm going into but not cave. Very, very tight in here.
Oh, so dear.
Yeah, I'm gonna lower this down. Bro, Marshall, I'm trying to keep this video family friendly. Don't say that. Yo! Yeah, right.
Or you can sit down by the wall. Put your feet out.
Going into but not scared again.
Chugging right along.
This is already 12 minutes long. This is taking long. Oh wait, that's the. Wait, is that the pause button? No, I think that's the pictures button. What? Okay, this was just like this. I need mom to connect this video. I need mom to connect. Okay, this is only just part one. The waiting. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna upload soonly when we get our cheesecake. So bye guys. And subscribe. Thank you. Bye.